hotter, hotter, hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.
Yeah, greetings of people, blessings, enough love, enough respect. I don't know, so New Link them people and don't know, giving thanks to life, because that's the most important thing right about now, life, you know. Yes, people, so news reach New Link. It's a thing that happened from Monday, you understand, and really I gotta talk about it now because don't know, say, even though we can't give on the news like how I really want to give on the news, people, still look go and look at update on a thing that go on Monday, right? Because it is said that in a Bull Bay, in a St. Andrew, a 55-year-old lady and her son, who is 15-year-old, was gunned down people in her yard at her business place, which is a local shop where she operates in her yard. As I tell people, because it is said that, right, the lady was in the yard, you know, with other people and her son and everything, when a man come up in the shop and like him want to buy something. She got inside to serve the man, which the son did the right at the little door, like say a back door of the shop. When the people come out the door, they say bam bam. When them go the people them find the lady with gunshot wounds and the little youth with gunshot wounds. The man run gone. You understand? Police come on the scene, everything, them carry them to the hospital where they were pronounced dead. And this youth is a student of a popular high school in Kingston. You understand? Still, police are still doing their, you understand, search and everything and investigation and see who is the perpetrators to this act. But here people who really are going, 55-year-old lady, you know, and her son who is just 15 years old. You understand? And me have to wonder, say, if are the youth involved in something or what, you understand? But in the end, we can't judge, we can't speculate and say anything. We just have to watch and say, but all me as a people, the man them in the yard now play. You get me I say? And yo, we're tired of seeing things like this where we have some victims that you just look at weird. Remember the other day when we say father, son, mother get licked out, you know, in the Manchester people, and now mother and son. Chano. And the youth, yo, me I tell the people, it's really terrible. It's really terrible. Get me I say, it's really terrible. And yo, Jano, at the end of the day, people, as me I tell them, I'm telling them over and over and my videos them, we just have to be careful out there. Seeing, we have to love each other, protect each other, and just be careful because yo, we just don't know. And as me I tell them, say, you not even know who for trusting this time. Every day I get up people and I see a man live, you have to just give the thanks to Jamaica because yo, we don't know who next tomorrow. So my viewers and my subscribers, I don't know the thing going on. This is New Link from New Link Production. We have some people just hope all is best for the weekend. Everything is going great for the weekend. I don't know the thing go. But they are we attack scene. We are blessed people, enough love, enough respect, peace. Out. Big up.
Hotter. What them a go do ya now? New link and the attack now. Hotter. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Hotter.